Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $2,898 without selling anything. This is a very quick and easy way to make money, and most of you can probably do it because you have a phone or a laptop and you're not stupid. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to reliably get $100 into your pocket every single day. Just imagine, what would you do with an extra $100 per day? Would you buy cocaine? Nah, you're probably not gonna do that. You probably buy crack, meth maybe? But before that, if you like videos about making money online business and entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and click the notification. People are gonna think I'm on cocaine now. I'm not on cocaine. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Andy FL and I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and today I am going to tell you something very secret that I've never seen anyone talk about this exact strategy before, and you can really utilize this strategy right now while it's still hot. And what I'm talking about is not selling anything and actually giving away free stuff in order to make money. Now you might have heard like giving away free stuff before, and what they're usually talking about is like list building, like building your email list. So you get a ton, basically you give away a PDF, you give away something cool in return for their email address, and then you have this email list now that you can sell a bunch of different things. This is not about that, okay? What I'm talking about is more a tripwire offer. And there are many products out there that actually have a $0 price tag, and you can give away that for free. And when they buy, they are in the back end gonna be sold a bunch of different things. So I have this product right here. So as you can see right here, we give away a free copy of this online course right here. And as you can see in the back end, you can make $197, $600 right here, $24, $50, $100, $200, $100 right here. So as you can see, we can give away stuff for free. And this training is going to be really good training that walks them through a method of making money online. And then inside the product, they might have links, they might have other different upsells that can help the customer get better and better results. And when they buy that, you will make money like this. And now you might be thinking like, oh my God, this is all cool, but how can I give away something for free, and how can I get people to get into kind of this funnel, and basically how can I give away something for free? So right here is the free training. So this is an example of a sales page where you can access your free training. Basically you give away this for free right here, and you can make money on the back end. Now there are many pages like this, and you might be thinking, oh my God, this looks ugly. But in truth, like when it comes to marketing, ugly pages convert better. It's just like that. So they can click right here on the add to cart button, and they will go in here, and as you can see, it's all free. It's all free right here, and they just enter their name and their email, and they get free access to this product. And again, they're gonna get sold in the upsells. It's way too hot. My God. When you take cocaine, does it get really hot? Am I red in my face right now? Imagine taking cocaine before a Make Money Online video. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make $100 per day right now. It's not too far away from my videos. Okay, listen, enough kidding. And there's many ways to promote your link and to get free signups, but I actually got a very hidden kind of secret way on how you can get your links out to people and get people to buy so you can make money. And it comes from my friend Eric Kagi, and we just talked, and I was like, I'm gonna show you, and then you're gonna scream, oh my God, this is fake. And I'm gonna show you some, because I thought it was super fake. So this free training right here is about how to make money online, right? So we need to connect that with people that are interested in making money online. And Eric did a fantastic job, because I thought Facebook group posting was dead and that nobody really did it anymore, but this is insane, the results I'm going to show you right now. So if we go in here into affiliate marketing, and you can go into like Shopify, you can go into any kind of make money online group, and you'll see that there's tons of people spamming. So you'll see like in these groups right here, there's so much spam, and they don't really get that many clicks and stuff, like some clicks here and there. And you got 3 comments. You got some posts that have a lot of clicks, but I've never seen anyone get more clicks than doing exactly this strategy that this guy is doing right here. So what you want to do is, so what I'm going to show you is Eric Kagi. So I'm just going to search it on the side right here. And as you can see, getting 271 comments on this post that want this free giveaway. 707 comments right here that want the post, that want the free thing. 720 wanting to sign up to his free giveaway. Isn't that crazy? I think it is crazy. And then I was like, this is a scam. Like, this is, he's bought comments, he's bought like likes and stuff like that. But then I just checked into the post. It looks really good. I'm gonna go through it in a second, but it's all from real people, from real people wanting to make money online. And as you can see, every single time someone is commenting, they want to get this free offer, which is incredible. And when I learned this from him, there is basically 3 ways that this works, and 3 crucial steps you have to have in your post in order for it to go viral like this in a Facebook group. And the first thing is to have a video right here, because the video is a very nice like scroll stopper. So as you can see, it kind of makes it like a 3D dimension. The same thing as I just hit $121 per day on ClickBank. And as you can see, this is a very nice scroll stopper. When people scroll on the news feed, they see this and they're instantly attracted to this kind of page, because a lot of people want a ClickBank results, or $100 per day on ClickBank is something that a lot of people want. So that's the first thing, having an actual video of the screen. Very good. The second thing is to have a lot of emojis. Having a lot of emojis creates this kind of exciting, attracting, fun, kind of light-hearted and awesome post that grabs a lot of attention. And then the last thing, and the most important thing in my opinion, is to have step 1 like this post, step 2 comment, send me please, and step 3 send me a PM. And the problem here really is that if you go into a Facebook group and no one sees it, no one comments on it, the Facebook algorithm isn't gonna kind of boost it up, and eventually it's just gonna go down and down, and it's gonna end up on the bottom of the Facebook group. But what happens when someone comments on that Facebook post is that it gets like shot up to the top. So whenever someone comments, it gets a lot more momentum. Whenever someone likes it, it gets a lot of momentum. And what happens in the Facebook algorithm is that a lot of people are engaging in this, a lot of people are liking it. That means that we're gonna grow this to the top of the Facebook group. So that's why it's so important to make people comment on this post, because the algorithm just really loves that. And then basically gonna just send them a PM with a message saying, hey, here is your free training. And as you can see, you can comment and paste this right here. I used my favorite free traffic source and a high converting offer to make this money right here. Took me 10 minutes to set up, $155 in profit. And as you can see, originally I'm selling it for $47, but today you can get it for free, no strings attached. And like I said, I was super skeptical about this method because I thought it was bots, fake likes, fake everything. And I'm actually a friend of Kagi, and I wanted to like check up, and he says like, it's actually real, man, real free traffic. And I said, that's fucked. I thought it was fake for sure, bots or something. Really? Lol, this is like a golden nugget, man. What? And actually I got sales from that, not a lot, but couple. And then I said like, why haven't you done it in a while? Because it was like February right here in March, and now it's basically 2 months later. And right here, he said that he get 30% open rate on the 7th email, which is really high. It's really high, especially in this make money online industry. And then he said, like, I'm too lazy right now to do this right here. I'm focusing on other things. That's the problem when you grow your list and following, getting lazy. And then he's talking about like outsourcing this to other people to actually do it. But as you can see, this works very well, especially with giving something away for free. And further down here, he said like ClickBank smartphone video is that's the golden key, man. If you can get that, then you're golden. Or even with Worry Plus or similar results. And we actually saw that in the beginning right here, that one of these posts that had not a ClickBank, but basically a JV Sue scroll stopper. Yeah, this one right here, that you're filming your screen actually doing this, really good. And it looks like he is actually doing this no investment at all, for free. He's doing the exact same strategy, so this really works. And you can see that he's literally doing this 19 minutes ago, an hour ago, 17 hours ago. So this actually happens in real time right now, and you can make money exactly like this. However, there's so many more ways that you can do this. If you have an audience right now on either YouTube or Instagram, if you have a messenger bot, or if you have an email list, you can really simply give away a free training like this and make a ton of money like that if it has that kind of upsell funnel. So if you want to make $100 fast, you can do it with exactly the strategy right here. But I really encourage you guys to grow a following, build an email list so you can have a long-term financial freedom. Because like getting rich quick, it's not really cool, but actually growing for the long term, that is cool. That is cool. And you know what? Long-term financial freedom, it's so cool. So now you know that you can give away these things for free to an audience that want to get it for free, and then you can make a very simple Facebook post and actually make money like that. You can also grow other income streams. But you might be asking, like, how can I get access to this free training that I can give away? Well, I actually have a free link in the description down below. It's no affiliate link. It's just so you can get this for free, and that everyone that if they want to do it for free, you have all the resources to do it right now. But if you want to take this a step further and actually make a lot more money with this, I highly encourage that you check out this product that just launched, which is called Goodwill. And it says right here how I turn $0 into $500 per person. Watch my experiment below and see how it worked. And what he did was he basically went out and he said like cookies $1, and they were on the street and no one bought. Like they stood there for probably an hour and no one bought. And then they changed over to free.
Now, as soon as we switched to the sign for free cookies, our tray was completely emptied within a couple minutes, and literally everyone walking by came over to take their free cookie.
I actually went through the training myself, and I found a little bit of holes here and there, and the biggest holes were basically traffic. So I added a ton of different bonuses to basically help you with getting a lot more traffic, and the Facebook group strategy is just one of the strategies that you can do. So fast traffic frenzy, this is a very high quality bonus from me. You're gonna get 4 traffic sources: YouTube, Instagram, I think it's Bing ads, and then Pinterest. I'm gonna show you how to use all of those to drive traffic to your free giveaway. And then you're gonna get a full course, which is called from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. And basically the premise of this course is that he did it. He went from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, which is a very good strategy as well. It's a little bit different, but it's really good as well. And this is a full course full of videos. Bonus number 3, I'm gonna give you 3 high quality traffic sources to use. So on top of my videos on these free traffic frenzy, basically bonus number 1, you're gonna get 3 high quality traffic sources that you can use as well. On top of that, bonus number 4, I'm gonna actually give you a Bing list building hack. And with this bonus, you can actually start using paid traffic to send people to your free giveaway. And this doesn't just work with free traffic. It works with paid traffic as well. And right here is going to show you proof and actually campaigns of how you can actually implement this and use Bing ads to earn with this. And the last bonus I'm going to give you is the Fuego breakout and get super traffic to your Goodwill offers. And here again, this is a full course that you're going to get access to with all the modules, all the training. That is a very good way to make money online as well. So you're going to get the entire course. You're going to get the free traffic frenzy, the 0 to 100 full course, the bonus number 3 high quality traffic sources, Bing list building hacks, the Fuego breakout, all for a whopping price of $12.95. And whenever I make a video like this, there are always upsells that you can buy, and these upsells is just basically the higher you pay, the more value you'll get and the more money you can make like that. So the basic version of Goodwill is $12.95, and then they have the pro version of Goodwill. That means every single dollar generated go directly into your accounts. So as you can see right here, the freebie opt-in that we just took a look at, well, what happens is that you can see you get 100% right here, you get 100%, but as you can see, the one-on-one coaching, you're gonna get 30%. So instead of getting 30%, you can upgrade to the pro version and get 100% of all of these offers right here that are on the back end. It says upgrade number 2 right here, $197. Steal our back end to get instant 1,000 commissions. Real online marketers realize their real money comes from the back end. We're going to attach our high ticket back end to Goodwill for you. And I'm not 100% sure what this is. You get an instant $1,000 commission. It might be an email sequence for your list building, or it might be a messenger bot sequence where they have a lot of high ticket commission product as well. But you have to see, after you buy, you basically get all these videos in front of you that you can watch where he explains more of this. Upgrade number 3 is going to be $397 done with you, so that you can set everything up flawlessly. Customers that are tired of doing it alone will love this upgrade. Yeah, always getting help and stuff like that. It is $397, but it might be worth it. You'll have to assess that yourself. Upgrade number 4 is $197. Limitless Traffic puts your pixel on our sales page to siphon traffic from our high traffic pages. This is a great upgrade for those that want more traffic. So they're gonna place their actual pixel, so this might be a Google pixel or a Facebook pixel, on their sales page. And I think this is probably the best one if you want to do paid traffic and actually get a lot faster results. Upgrade number 5 is $167, license rights to sell Goodwill as your own product. So let's say that you build a messenger bot, or if you build an email list, you want to keep selling these people on an email list with different kinds of offers. Like for example, if you have a Bing ads course, some people are going to be interested in that. If you have a Facebook ads course, or if you have a Amazon FBA, a Shopify course, you can basically sell a bunch of different products back to back and get even more money like that. Well, if you get the license rights to this product, you can basically sell this as an affiliate, but you're going to get all 100% commission of all of the back end, exactly like this pro version right here, where you get all of the 100% commissions. So that are basically the upgrades. I will say that my favorite ones are probably Limitless Traffic is really good, and I'll probably do the Steal Our Backend because these guys really know what they're doing. And actually after this video, I'm gonna email my list and give them something for free and see the results, because I really like this strategy. So once again, you're gonna get the entire Goodwill course. You're gonna get the free traffic frenzy. You're gonna get $0 to $100 in 24 hours. You're gonna get the 3 high quality traffic sources to use. You're gonna get Bing list building hacks. You're gonna get the Fuego breakout, get super traffic with your Goodwill offers, all for a price of $12.97 or $12.95 right now. All you have to do is click the link in the description down below. Click here to secure your copy and bonuses, and then then you just go to the sales page. This is the sales page right here. I highly encourage you to watch this video right here. It's super funny. And then get instant access now. Enter your credit cards on the next page, and I hope to see you inside of Goodwill. Inside of Goodwill.